Another system in traditional Chinese calendars is the Chinese sexagenary cycle, also known as stems and branches. There are 10 stems called 甲乙丙丁戊己庚辛壬癸, and 12 branches, namely 子丑寅卯辰巳戊未申酉戌亥. The 10 stems, each is paired with an earthly branch forming 60 terms in total, are used for counting hours, days, months, and years. Today, the stems and branches is primarily employed to record years. Starting with 甲子, it forms a 60-year cycle. For example, in this photo, both the grandpa and the granddaughter were born in 乙未 year, but the grandpa is 60 years older than the girl. By the way, in the law of time, 60 is a somewhat miraculous number, since in the Western time system, 60 seconds equal a minute, and 60 minutes equal an hour. The history of using the 12 earthly branches to calculate hours spanned from the Han Dynasty to the period of the Republic of China. Just to remind you, the hour is also named 时辰 in Chinese, which equals 2 hours in modern timekeeping. The time range from 11 o'clock at night to 1 o'clock before dawn is called 夜半 or 子 hour. And then 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock is called the 丑 hour, and so on and so forth. In Song Dynasty, each 时辰 was further divided into 2 sections, 初 and 正. 子 hour, for instance, is comprised of 子初, 11 p.m. to the midnight, and 子正, midnight to 1 o'clock. Therefore, the 24 o'clock timekeeping system is truly an antique in Chinese history. The heavenly stems and earthly branches, which are derived from people's observation of celestial phenomenon and natural environment, are born to have features of divination. Through thousands of years, the stems and branches, together with the philosophy of yin-yang and the 5 elements, have developed into sophisticated Chinese divination and numerology.